Alright, ready? I did this shit twice already, and I don't like doing it really, but it's fun as fuck. I'm gonna do it the fuck again just because I can. It's actually kind of tough, but here we go. It's just for you, dog. This last one, because this was my last one, but the video cut out at 32 seconds before I even did any crazy shit. Before I even hit the really bad bumps and mud. Well, I didn't really hit much mud, but a little bit. You'll see. Rally style. Oh, that was rough. I need new shocks and springs anyways, fuck it. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's nice. This shit ain't even as rough as I thought it was, bro. After going through it like this shit ain't even that fucking rough, bro. Ooh! Oh, that was just my nuts. I keep forgetting. Well, maybe my hitch a little bit too, but we straight. Oh! No! Is my fucking tire flat, bro? No. Woo! Man, that shit scared me, boy. Oh, man. I lost my fucking nuts, bro. Dude, my truck nuts fell off, bro. That's fucking great. My fucking truck nuts fell off. Oh well. I'll just have to remount them when I get home. Later.